Hi, I'm Reese, and this is the second in our series of videos showing how to build a real extension for Telligent Community. In this video, we'll look at making a simple plugin we created in the previous video translatable. It's good practice to make plugins translatable in Telligent Community, although it's not required. This means you should avoid hard-coding strings in your plugins and widgets and instead make use of the translation APIs, which allow administrators to change the values of the strings and translate them to different languages if required. Making a plugin translatable is pretty simple and requires you to implement the iTranslatable plugin interface. This requires you to implement one property and one method. The method gives you access to the translation controller. We will need this when accessing text resources. Implementing this is simple. First, we add a private variable to store the controller for when we need it, and then in the update controller method we set this variable. Several other plugin types of the Telligent platform use this pattern. The property allows you to define the default translation values and the resource values that can be translated or edited. We will add a new translation for the default language, ENUS, and then define two resources, one called configuration and one called template. Once we have done this, we can update the display text we set for the configuration properties. Instead of hard coding the text for configuration template, we use the translation controller to get our resources. Make sure you only make the display text translatable and not the IDs or keys that we use elsewhere in the code. When we rebuild and deploy our new version, we will see a new translation tab in the plugin management screen. We can use this to edit our resource values. If we save these and open the plugin again, we will see the new resource values. In this video, we've shown an overview of the translation APIs in Telligent. In the next video, we'll start integrating our plugin with the rich text editor and be able to see some functionality in action. Thanks for watching.